Deep cleaning on Lenovo Legion 5 15ACH6H. Thank you, Sir Gauchin, for trusting PTTIT Solutions. Carefully opening the back cover. Given its classification as a gaming laptop, the Lenovo Legion 5 15AH6H embodies a robust design tailored to accommodate the high-performance demands synonymous with gaming. This specialized construction often translates into a sophisticated cooling system engineered to manage the substantial heat generated during intensive gaming sessions. While this ensures efficient heat dissipation and sustained performance, it can also present challenges when it comes to routine maintenance tasks like cleaning and applying thermal paste. Removing the old thermal compound on the heat sink, unscrewing the fans, brushing and cleaning the fan blades, making sure it is super clean. At the heart of the Legion 5 lies an advanced cooling architecture, featuring intricately designed heat pipes, expansive heat sinks, and multiple high-speed fans. These components work in concert to regulate temperature spikes and prevent thermal throttling, ensuring that the CPU and GPU remain within optimal operating parameters even under extreme load conditions. However, the complexity of this cooling system may necessitate meticulous disassembly procedures to access critical components for maintenance purposes. Installing the fans back to the heat sink, while cleaning and applying thermal paste on the Lenovo Legion 5 15ACH6H may present additional challenges due to its gaming laptop pedigree. It remains a feasible endeavor with the appropriate tools, techniques, and knowledge by following manufacturer recommendations, exercising patience, and prioritizing meticulousness. Users can effectively maintain the optimal performance and longevity of their Legion 5 gaming laptops, ensuring years of immersive gaming experiences without compromise. Putting the back cover, screwing it in, deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.